Welcome to the Healthcare Update. Quite a bit of action late last week. We saw a number of companies report their quarterly results, which gave us a good insight into how some of these emerging medical device stories are playing out. And also Neuren came out with some good news in terms of getting some recognition from the European regulator for one of their programs. So it's just starting with the quarterlies. We had Nanosonics come out with their quarterly numbers. We were expecting a weaker number, and it didn't disappoint. It was weaker than expected. Essentially, Nanosonics are now going direct into the US, which is taking a little bit of time just to work through some of the logistics there. We were hoping for a little bit more weakness in the share price because we're very positive on Nanosonics in the medium term. We think next year is going to be very positive for them. It's sort of currently trading around that 180 mark. If it drifts back to the 170, we've got a $2 price target on. We think it's really good buying for very strong pickup in sales in the next year. ImpediMed and Admetus came out with their quarterlies, both in line with what we're expecting. So no great surprises there. Both very good stories and key picks in terms of the emerging healthcare market. But the big news last week was Neuren, where they received from the European regulator some recognition for one of their programs for an orphan drug status. So that's really important for them in terms of providing some protection for their program if it's successful into the future. So the share price got marked up to around 11 cents from a low of 9, and we expect that towards the end of this year they'll be reporting some top-line results in a couple of their programs, which should see interest continue to follow that stock. So it's not a story we talk about a lot, but I think over the next 3 or 4 months there's going to be a lot more interest in Neuren, so keep an eye on that one. And that's all for today. Bye for now.